Where is he posted presently? Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, the then SPO of Gopalganj?
I don't know, sir.
State, find
No,
out.
I have to get the information, my lord.
Collect information.
My lord.
लिखिए। सिविल सर्जन साहब आगे आइए जरा। आपके पास तो अब कुछ नहीं है ना दिखाने के लिए कि आपने एक्सरे रिपोर्ट दिया था उसको?
वही एक रजिस्टर दिखा है।
वो रजिस्टर जो है वो रिसीविंग रजिस्टर नहीं है ना?
रिसीविंग है सर, रिसीविंग ही है।
मतलब किसी व्यक्ति को कोई डॉक्यूमेंट आपने हैंड ओवर किया, ऐसा कुछ है उस रजिस्टर में
कि नहीं है? सिग्नेचर
जो पूछ रहा है उसका जवाब।
नहीं, उसका जो मतलब है कि वो रिसीव किया कि नहीं किया, वो वही कॉलम है, ये पूछ रहा है।
ये कंफर्म
ऐसा कुछ है कि हाँ वो रजिस्टर दिखाया बनाया गया है इस पर्पस से? एंड
बोला कि इसमें जिसका एक्सरे होता है उसका और रिसीविंग दोनों इसी में है। जो
आपके एनजीओ ने बोला?
हाँ,
कुछ लिख करके दिया है वो?
लिख कर दिया है, लाइन नहीं है।
लाए नहीं है उसको, आप क्यों नहीं लाए?
मिस देखते हैं है इसमें, मांगे थे छोड़ दिया
इतना
हाँ,
कैजुअली
है
आप
सर।
तो एकदम से लगता है ऐसे कुछ खोया हुआ चीज मिल जाता है वैसे आप कहते हैं।
इसको फाड़
लाइए लाइए जरा, देखा फाड़िए मत,
फाड़े
ऐसे ही दीजिए। ये हालात हैं आपकी। ठीक है, इसको रखिए आप, इसमें कुछ नहीं, एक चिट्ठी बनाया हुआ है। प्रेषित नजरे इमाम सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर IGI मेडिकल सिस्टम। ये एनजीओ जो है क्या काम कर रहा है, उसके क्या हालात है वो भी एग्जामिन होगा उसमें। यही तो आपकी स्थिति है। इंक्वायरी जरूरी है। इंक्वायरी तो जरूरी है। लिखिए। Pursuant to the last order dated 5/12/2022, the Superintendent of Police Gopalganj. What's your name, please?
Anand Kumar.
Mr. Anand Kumar, the Superintendent of Police Gopalganj, and Mr. Dr.
Virendra Prasad.
Dr. Virendra Prasad, the Civil Surgeon Gopalganj, are present. Full stop. Next, this court has interacted with the SP Gopalganj on several issues which are arising out of this case. Full stop. This court will enlist what has been found upon interactions with SP and the civil surgeon as under. सुनते जाइएगा, अगर आपको लगे कि हाँ 1, the FIR as contained in Annexure 1 was lodged on 14/10/2016 by the then SDO, Sadar Gopalganj. Full stop. In his FIR, he has stated that without any permission on 13/10/2016 at 11 AM to 17 PM, ऐसा करिए at 11 hours to 17 hours, without any information, the named accused persons together with 25-30 unknown supporters had committed occurrence at Ambedkar Chowk under a conspiracy to disturb the communal peace and harmony. Full stop. It is alleged that the petitioner was leading the people. Full stop. In course of hearing from Annexure 3, it appeared, Annexure 2, P by 2, it appeared that the same SDO Gopalganj had given permission to the petitioner to go for the protest, go for 1 day protest and demonstration at Ambedkar Chowk on 13/10/2016 at 11 a.m. Full stop. After going through Annexure P2, the SP Gopalganj has submitted that the first part of the FIR, which states that without permission, the petitioner led the named people, is wrong. Full stop. Next, 2. It is admitted that the FIR was not lost by the executive magistrate, namely Sri Pratik Kumar, who was posted at the spot by the STO Gopalganj, wide Annexure P by 2. Full stop. There is no statement either that the said executive magistrate had made any complaint to the STO in this regard. Next, 3. It is admitted that after lodging of the FIR under various provisions of the IPC and Section 9 of the Use and Control of Loudspeaker Act, no notice under Section 41 within bracket 1 CRPC was issued to the petitioner. Full stop. The offences alleged carry a maximum punishment of 3 years.
5 years.
कौन से provision में?
153A.
153A. चेक कर लीजिए.
Sir, may I say something? Sir, may I say something? Sir, I'm not sure this procedure was followed or not.
All right. (153A) shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years. क्या? 5 years क्या है देखते हैं? 2 है.
Promoting enmity between classes in place of worship, etc.
That is not your case. It's not a place of worship. You have not lost this under 153(2).
A.
Yes.
For 3 years and both fine.
You have not said कि मैं वो कहता है क्या देखिए, whoever commits an offence as specified in subsection 1 in any place of worship, वो नहीं है आपका, or in any assembly engaged in the performance of religious worship, वो भी नहीं है आपका, और religious ceremonies, वो भी नहीं है आपका. ऐसे 3 years. Full stop. At this stage, SP Gopalganj says that he is not sure whether any notice was served upon the petitioner under section 41(1) of the CRPC by the IO. Full stop. Next 3. The petitioner was arrested and allegation is that he was brutally assaulted. Full stop. Admittedly, the learned CGM Gopalganj sent him for medical examination, but his injury report was never produced before the learned CGM. Full stop. The civil surgeon Gopalganj, who is present in person, admits that no injury report was sent to the court of learned CGM. But his statement is that it happened so because no OD slip was made available to him by the IO. Full stop. SP Gopalganj submits that he would look into this aspect and the latches on the part of the then IO for appropriate action. Full stop. Next. The injury report did not form part of the case diary. Full stop. Full stop. With the counter affidavit filed today, आज फाइल हुआ है ना?
जी जी कब
The,
पाठ हो गया
the GYSP headquarter has enclosed a copy of the injury report